Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TEAANDART. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. And so today I am so excited. I am, you can say, super excited about this. And today I'm sharing with you something really special. And that special news is that Resiner has contacted me to run a giveaway, and from my channel I am giving away 3 of these machines by Resiniers. So first gift is the AirLess, that is a bubble removing machine, and you have seen me using it a lot of time, and I do use it. It's really handy. I totally love it. And second one is this resin dryer for tumbler. I have this machine and I will be showing you soon. There are so many ways you can use this machine, and I actually did some experiments and I'm loving it. And the third machine is the Cure Air resin curing machine, and this really cuts out the waiting time for resin to cure. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready, and there are a few rules to follow if you want to win these prizes, and there will be 3 winners. So the and also you need to subscribe to my channel and Resiners YouTube channel, and you need to use their hashtags. I will put that all the details in my description as well, and the hashtags are hashtag Resiners, hashtag Resiner machine, and hashtag bubble removing machine. So there are really simple rules to follow. I really kept it really simple so that it's really easy for everyone, so everyone can enter. And best of luck to all of you, and excited, and I am excited for you as well. And one important thing is that I will be selecting the 3 winners, and I will be giving these names to the Resiners, and the Resiners will be sending you all these gifts. And also the closing date, it's 2nd of November 2023. So keep that in mind. So hurry up and start on commenting. Best of luck. So starting off for today, I am sharing this video with you, and this was really a long awaited video. A lot of people asked me to use these crystal molds and see if how these crystals will turn out if I use the Resiners airless machine. So here is the mold, and I have actually 2 set of crystals in this mold. So I thought one I will be making it without the airless, and the second I will be putting my resin cup into the airless machine, and we will see how they turn out. You all know this is such a beautiful mold, and I have shared with you the result of the crystals are so amazing with this mold. So this I'm giving it a test now. So I am separating my mixed resin. So just I wanted to tell you that I have taken a medium viscosity resin here. So it's best to use a medium viscosity, or it's super best to use a low viscosity resin in the machine, because these are the resin that work best. So I'm just labeling A and B so that I know that which one is which. I can differentiate with the colors as well, but just for my ease I'm doing that. And also you all can see that what I'm doing here. So first one is that I just simply mix my resin. I'm just showing you it's an A and B, and I just mixed my resin and I'm pouring it into the cup now. So this has not been placed into the airless machine. And I'm simply adding you can say a pearlescent color, a very light pigment into the resin now. Just a few drops. That's it. Because whenever I'm making crystal, I really add very little pigment to my resin. In this way I get the beautiful clarity and the look of the crystals. So that's enough. I really don't want to mix it a lot. And now I will be pouring this into the mold now. So here I'm pouring it into the A. So it's been poured now, and I will be topping it with some clear resin to get that beautiful effect. So A is done now, and I will be doing now second one, and this will be going into the airless bubble removing machine. So this is how it's look like. So as you can see, I have put it onto my area that I work, and I do use it a lot. So this is really a simple machine. It has a vacuum here. You just press this inside and the pressure is building. Now I am selecting the time. It has a 5 minute and a 9 minute. So I will be doing a 9 minute to this one. So now you will be watching how the bubbles will be coming up. So this is how the bubbles are coming up. I'm getting a lot of bubble, and it's building. So I just sped up the process because it was a 9 minute. So you can see that how the bubble are rising. So it do pulls up the bubbles a lot and really is helpful. And when the 9 minutes are done, I heard a beeping noise and I do wait for a little bit. I'm just opening the chamber so that all the air is released. So I do get a question that how much of a resin I can put into this. So there are many times that I do put some cups in there. So I will be showing you in future that how much of a resin you can put into the airless. So for now, what I'm doing here is, so after using the airless, I have some of the resin left over that I poured into the crystal. So I will be pouring this into this mold now. So I thought, why not make something really fun as well? I'm making the crystal, but I really wanted to take some, I always like to create something different. So I just wanted to make it really interesting. So I'm making these snowflakes. So just to let you know that I did put this blue color mixed resin into the airless as well, because from now on I will be using the airless machine and making everything clear just to show you. So I just only made the crystal to show you that without into the airless how the crystal will turn out. So just pouring my glitter mixed resin onto the sides and center I will be filling with clear. So one thing I want to tell you that is I am mixing my resin after adding it into the airless. So I try to mix very slowly because I really don't want to introduce any air bubbles. So I'm doing the same here. You have seen that for the second crystal, I will be making it into the purple shade, the pearl purple color. So adding few drops of that purple. That's it. Same as I made the blue one. And now I'm mixing it really slowly just to avoid any air bubbles. And now I'm adding it into the mold. And then I will be topping it with the clear resin as I done with the blue one. So this is done now, and I will be making an ornament again, a snowflake. So I'm just showing you how I will be making this snowflake now. So this is the glitter that I will be using. Again, I will be mixing this glitter into that leftover purple color. And I will be start pouring it into the mold. Just like that. Into all the sections. And now adding the clear resin into the center. And I'm just filling it up. So just showing you again that I was doing another project, and you can see the amount of bubble that have been gathered up. So it was just happening and the bubbles were coming out. So this was actually another project that I was doing. And after that, I let it sit for a few seconds into the container. And after releasing all the air, you can see how clean the resin is. So today is the test day and it's the demolding day. So I'm really excited about that fest. I was just deciding on what to demold first. So let's demold the crystals as we made them first. So this is the A that I made without adding into the AirLess. So let's see how this looks like. I'm just showing you at the moment. I'm not explaining anything. You can see by yourself. And this is the second one that I put the resin into the AirLess, and we will see how this looks like. So I'm just not saying anything. You can see the difference by yourself. So we can see some bubbles, actually a lot of bubble into the blue one, and you can see the purple one is so clear. So these were all, both of these were made from the clear resin from the AirLess. So I know that they will be amazing as well. So I'm just demolding them. So this is how this looks like, and I'm really loving it. It's so beautiful and clear. As you can see, it's beautiful. And actually I love the glitter on the sides. It turned out into amazing, beautiful decor. And I will be demolding the second one as well. So this is how it looks like, and again, so pretty. The glitter is so beautiful, and I just love these, how they both look like. So I will be putting up the cords or the ribbons onto these ornaments, or you can say the Christmas ornaments, snowflakes, whatever you like to say. So let's see how they all turned out. So this is the crystal. You can see how pretty and beautiful it looks. And this is our blue one. Again, it's really pretty. I am not saying anything. You can make beautiful resin out of, if you don't have any vacuum chambers or pressure pots, but still it's beautiful on its own. So this is how they look like, and I ended up putting a little bit of bead on top and a ribbon. They turned out really pretty, but I did something a bit different, so I will be showing you what I did here. So I put the crystal onto these ornaments and they look so amazing. So it's really up to you how you want to keep them simple or you want to add these crystals, but the molds are really normal. Everyone have them. You made to make something unique out of them. So this is such a beautiful idea by placing these crystals onto these ornaments, and they look like so amazing. This is just my idea. It's really up to you how you really want to present your ornaments. So again, I'm so happy about it, and please do join the giveaway. It's such a amazing giveaway. I am so excited and I'm so happy that you will be receiving these gifts. So please do follow the rules, and everything will be mentioned in the description as how you will be following everything. So please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And best of luck to all of you. I really don't have words how exciting I am. So thank you so much, and please remember the ending date as well. There is an ending date, so please do the commenting and subscribing before that in order to get a chance to win one of these amazing machines. So take good care of yourself. Bye bye.